Hey guys, welcome to a awesome Sky High TV video. My name is Skylar, and this is giving your cats a bath. Woo! And today we're gonna give my cat Frankie, probably not Charlie because she's really feisty. So what we have here is we're gonna use some this stuff, and then we have a cup so we can put the water over top of them, and then we have treats just in case they get cuckoo. Which happens a lot. So, and then we're gonna put on an apron so that I don't get everything. I don't get soaked because, well, I don't want to get soaked. It's not a good idea. This is my cat Frankie right here, and we're gonna give her a bath. Yep. Okay, look at the sink. There. Look at the fan. Say hi to YouTube, Frankers. This is Frankie. She doesn't look like she wants a bath. She wants to scratch me. Yeah, she does like them a little bit, but depends. Hey, no. You didn't look like a rat. You don't like looking like a rat? Calm down. There, now you like it, right? Yeah. Hey. Get back here. Oh, it's nice and warm. It's not like hot or anything. There you go. Just a little bit. There you go. That's how you like it, right? Yeah. Shampoo. And what's the reason that you calm down? Because I'm the one doing it now? Hey. Dude. Failure. Dude. Such a weirdo. There, I'm going to give you a full-out massage. What do you think about that? While keeping one of my hands on you. Because your tail's dripping on top of that. It's a fail. Guys, no, it's Frankie, guys. Failure number 23. I'm just going to do this for you because there you go. I got an idea, guys. See if it works. I'm going to form it to your body, and then I'm going to flip this thing over, and it's going to be so relaxing. The both of us. Now you're being compliant.
See if you can turn it towards the camera.
Come here. Look right here. Look. Hey, no. Don't climb into there. Don't climb in. Shivering already? Seriously? Tiny bit. ASMR, guys. Starting to look like a rat, just like you like it. Hey, stop crunching up. No. And I'm washing you a little bit differently. But that doesn't mean you're trying to run away. Okay, sit whatever way you want. This isn't working anymore with you. No! Try Frankie! I almost called you Charlie. How bad you're being. You're acting like Charlie. No. Frankie, what are you doing? Frankie. You're almost done. You're on the last little part. If you're a good girl, I'll give you a whole bunch of treats when you get out. Eat 4. So many. I'll make sure I got all, yeah. No. Okay. Frankie, you're killing me. Did you know that? You're slowly killing me. Oof.
Let me help you for a sec.
I shouldn't get out while I try to do this towel thing. I got an idea. I might want help a little. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I can do it. What are you doing? He's trying to run, Mom. It's good warm water, isn't it? It's not hot, is it? No?
No.
Okay.
Nice. Kind of room temperature. Kind of warm water.
Well, that's in the cat if it was hot. There, you like it now, don't you? Want to jump back in here? You're thinking about it, aren't you? No, wait. She put your clothes in here.
All right.
Everything. Towel. Towel time. No, I got her. No, Frankie. Frankie, you're all done. You're all done. There she is. She's all done. She looks like a rat. And, oh, it's okay. I'm going to hold her like a baby. Here she is. Oof. Here she is right here. Say hi to YouTube. One cat down.
She didn't even meow or anything during that one.
Yeah, she tried to run away though, but
A couple times.
that's normal. Cats don't normally like water. She's probably one of the calmest cats that don't or is a cat that will take a bath because cats don't normally like water. Why you look at me? But I think she loves the after part, so that's why she deals with the first part. Here's Charlers. And we're gonna give her a bath now. She doesn't like them as much. Just get used to it. No. Oh my god. Nope, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work, folks. We tried. She really doesn't like water. Watch. Nope, she doesn't even want to go close to it. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Go ahead. That's not gonna, I doubt that's gonna really work. We got her tail and a tiny bit of her back paw, and she was like, no thanks. We tried. I mean, last time the same thing kind of happened, but she had her claws, so it was a lot more dangerous. But I don't know. Has to be some kind of way to calm her down. I kind of want to give her a bath because she's starting to smell. And she's starting to get really like puffy in hair, and she needs that hair to come off in the bath. So I'm going to give her a few minutes because, yeah, she really doesn't like water that much. Even if it is like...
But she tries to get in the shower with you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the shower, and she's like this. I'm like, you don't just take a gosh darn bath. She's licking herself now. You don't want a bath, but you want to lick yourself. She's a weird cat. She likes trying to get in the shower with me, and she likes trying to go scuba diving in the toilet. Like, what the crap? Take a bath. for you guys, okay? Frankie, Charlie, you can't scratch me. Ha ha. Okay, no, go. Oh my god! I'm sorry. No, you meowed and you kicked me in the face pretty hard. Tough soldier. Why do you not want a bath?